Let's go ahead and unbox the spot welder. Now, the spot welder cost me $59.99. So it was the cheapest one I can get, the soonest. I just wanted something to try out and see if it worked. The reviews, there was a lot of reviews, and they were pretty good reviews. So I went with this one, and so yeah, this is what I got. Let's go ahead and unbox it. There we go. The Faiuot spot welder. Here's some of the. Okay, it came with some nickel strips. I think that's what it's called. I'm not entirely sure what a lot of these items are. It came with some wiring. Here they are. I don't know if I think these are supposed to be on here. Not sure. Alright, let's take out the charging cable. It's a Type-C charging cable. And here you go. This is the spot welder. It is very small. And let's see if it has any juice left. Let's hold it to power it on. I think it's dead. Let me plug these in. I don't know if these have a certain way to plug in, or is it either one? But I'm just gonna plug them in. There you go. Now I don't think this came charged, so I will have to charge it, and I'll get back once it's charged, and I'll do some spot weld testing on this nickel strip. All right, before I start charging the battery, here are some specs for the spot welder. It weighs 420 grams. The material is aluminum alloy. The welding capacity is 5,000 milliamps. Welding current is 500 to 650 amps. The output voltage is 4.25 volts. Low voltage protection. A lot of this stuff. 2 millimeter nickel strip. 0.1 millimeter pure nickel strip. Pulse time 30 degrees power adjustment. 30 gear power adjustment. Yeah. Oh shoot. Okay. All right, let me go ahead and charge this, and I'll be back. All right, I'm back. I fully charged the spot welder. It took about 2 to 3 hours, I think, to charge it. But now it's full, and I'm gonna do a soldering test. Not soldering, sorry. A spot weld test on some 18650 batteries. Here is the two batteries I'll be testing. They're both the same voltage, so it should be safe to spot weld them together. Now, the packaging did come with some nickel strip. The description on the site said it was a 2 millimeters thickness on the thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug these in. I don't think it matters which one goes in first, just plug them in. Now I did test it before. I did test it after it was well, I didn't test the spot welding, but I turned it on to figure out the settings so that I can show you what some of these settings do. So to power it on, you just hold the white button here, hold it down. You hear 3 beeps, and it powers on, and that is the LCD display. Some other cool things about this spot welder is it does come with a USB 5 volt 2.1 amps to 2.4 amp out, so you can charge your mobile devices or other devices that are rated at 5 volts, 2.1 amps, or 2.4 amps. Yeah, that's another cool thing about this one. And here is the display. Now the spot welding, um, like levels for like the thickness of the material you're gonna use is rated at gears for some reason. I'm not sure if that's every spot welder, but in this spot welder is gears. So when I was doing my testing, I saw that 10 ms or gear 10 is pretty perfect, pretty okay for spot welding the nickel strip to the battery. And it could go up to, so to change the gear, you just press the black button up here, and it goes up to 30. Now I have not tested the 30 yet. I don't think I need it at all if the 10 works for me. I'm gonna try 8. I think 8 might be actually pretty good for this. If you want to, if now to change the delay, you press on the white button here, and then that changes the delay. I think the delay is for when you have both contacts. When you have both contacts on the nickel strip, and it will spot weld in the 8 seconds, or depending on the delay you have, I think. Um, but I figure that that's what it is, and that's pretty much all you have to do. Just select your gear and the delay that you want. The default for when I got this was 8, so I'm just gonna keep it at 8, and so far it works fine. Um, so yeah, let's go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and spot weld some nickel strips on these batteries here. Um, these are kind of bad batteries that I salvaged. Well, I have just laying around for testing. They have their voltage is 1.3, I believe. So this battery's, I don't know if they can be brought back, but I'll just be testing them with this nickel strip here. All right, let me go ahead and cut some of this. All right, I'm gonna be using. So the batteries are from a drill, and the drill came with this holder, to hold the batteries. I'm gonna be using that to hold the batteries in place, so it'll be, a lot simpler to spot weld. And you wanna, let's see, let me zoom in. You wanna have the perfect amount of nickel strips, so I will be cutting it around here. Let's see. So I think this is good right there. There you go. That's a pretty good amount. I don't like that it moves around too much, but let's go ahead and try this. I will be. They do recommend wearing safety glasses, so I bought some safety glasses. Anytime you're working with pretty much anything that can be harmful, batteries, using a rotary tool or soldering, always wear safety glasses. Yeah. All right, let's go ahead and try this. I've already tried it, but now I'm going to show you guys. So I don't like that the cables aren't long enough. They do get just get it. Like, I wish that the cables were a little longer, but it should do the spot. Now, when spot welding, I did some research, and they recommend that you don't put too much. You don't put pressure on the nickel strip, so you don't press down. You just lay it down softly without putting any pressure, and then put the other one, and it should work perfectly fine. So you don't have to put any pressure down, for the spot weld, like I will show you right now. Just put it on top, no pressure down, and there you go. That's a spot weld. Let's see if it comes off. It looks okay. It's not coming off, so let's try it again. Oh, okay, that one was a big spark. That's why you wear safety glasses. Alright, I don't know if the spark means anything. I'll have to do some research on that. If it sparks too much, do you cancel the project that you're doing, or is the spark normal? I don't know, but I'll definitely do some research on that. Let's try the other one. All right, and this is at gear 8. All right, and it's spot welding the nickel strip to the battery. I did see a lot of reviews on the site where they recommend 10 to 12, but 8 seems to be working fine right now. Let's try it again. There you go. There you go. Look, it looks pretty solid. Yeah, that looks solid right there. It's not coming off. Let's try the other side now. I will use some tape to keep them together. This. Alright, and then get the other nickel strip. I'm gonna get it right here. Now, this is my first time ever using a spot welder. My first time ever working with lithium-ion batteries. I recently became addicted to batteries after I opened up a laptop battery. I had 2 old laptops that I had around. After I opened them up, I took the batteries out and I was researching on what they were. Even though I kind of knew what they were, but I didn't know they were the batteries that I knew they were. If you understand what I'm saying, the Tesla cars, like the older models, have 18650 batteries that the cars have, and then pretty much everything like pretty much lithium-ion batteries, 18650 batteries are like very popular. Or in use a lot, I guess, in drills and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm pretty new to the batteries. I just knew that the Teslas had them, and I was like, oh, they're pretty cool, and that the drills use them, so I guess they were pretty good. I have no idea. I'm just, oh shoot, just saying here. I never knew that these batteries existed. I thought they were only available to like huge companies, like I said, Tesla. I always thought that the Energizers rechargeable batteries were like the best batteries out there or something like that. I think I bought like an Amazon Basics rechargeable battery that was like 2100 milliamps or something. I thought those were awesome, and they are, but I guess they don't compare to the lithium ion batteries. But yeah, that's just me talking. All right, now let's spot weld the other side. Hopefully, there's no huge sparks. Okay. Okay, so far so good. All right, there you go. That looks okay. I probably will go to like level 9 or 10 for something more permanent, but this already looks pretty well. Like, I'm putting a lot of force on that, even without. This is cheap medical tape that I just had from some reason. But yeah, that is on there. That's pretty good. I'm actually very surprised of this spot welder. Let me see. Like I said, this was the cheapest spot welder that I could find that had the next day delivery. I talk about the next day delivery or overnight delivery all the time because that's pretty cool. I think that's awesome. And it was on there and it was on sale, and it works. It works. Okay, so this is the Amazon page. Um, Mini spot welder with LCD screen. Oh yeah, it was Faiuot upgraded portable 30 gear adjustable spot welder, 5,000 milliamps for DIY battery. Um, I think they have a 10,000 milliamp or something like that with an extended cable. It was on sale, like I said. And let's see. Yeah, I mean that's pretty much it for the spot welder. If you have any questions about the spot welder, leave it in the comments. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.